Oh! Oh! I'm cook, man. Whoa! Let's have some play fun, young feel. Let's have some play fun, young feel. Did you see my hand up?
Sus.
Yay!
1 minute ago, I was a normal dinosaur. Just. I watched Cool Cat Saves the Kids. And most importantly of all, death. Cool Cat is cool. Got the whole world right in his ass. Whoa! Did you see that? That was Barney the dinosaur.
Butch decides to start his career as president.
I feel like picking on someone.
Cool Cat blows cups.
Come inside.
That's what she said.
This is the one and only Dick Savage.
Wow! Now we're in the green screen room.
Is it?
Wow! I'm gonna protect the tits.
Let's see where you're going. Super young Link, super girl, the super young little girl comes over Cool Cat.
My hands are full.
You fucking lie. Daddy Derek opens the girl's cunt.
Public masturbation.
And I'll be ready in a couple minutes.
Might as well kick it.
Not by kicking his ass for being a little shit, but by kicking his sandcastle and cunt saves the cunt is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
Maria, look over there. It's Push the Bully, and he's running away. I'm gonna protect the kids.
Run away fast as
Cool Cat.